The 2025 Toyota Century SUV is poised to redefine luxury driving, blending elegance, power, and modern comfort in a revolutionary package. Traditionally, Toyota's Century line has been the pinnacle of sophistication in Japan, known for its ultra-luxurious sedans. But now, Toyota is shifting gears and transforming the Century into an extraordinary SUV. If you thought the Century sedan was impressive, wait until you see the craftsmanship and innovation that Toyota has infused into this new SUV. Imagine a high-end sedan's luxury and refinement combined with the size and presence of a commanding SUV. The 2025 Century SUV is designed to be one of the largest vehicles on the road, but what truly sets it apart is its interior setup. It seats only 4 passengers. This exclusive design prioritizes comfort and space for each individual, creating a lavish, private sanctuary on wheels. The rear seats, the focal point of this luxury experience, are centrally located and can recline in multiple positions, offering passengers unmatched relaxation. Under the hood, the Century SUV features a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid system, combining a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine with an advanced all-wheel drive system. While official performance specs haven't been confirmed, the SUV is rumored to share similarities with the Lexus TX 550 Plus, which delivers around 406 horsepower. This means you can expect smooth yet thrilling performance, effortless acceleration, and remarkable handling, whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling winding highways. Toyota's dedication to sustainability shines through with the hybrid system, which promises excellent fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The seamless transition between electric and engine power will provide a smooth driving experience, offering drivers the best of both worlds, power and eco-friendliness. This hybrid system aligns perfectly with Toyota's mission to lead the charge in creating environmentally conscious vehicles. Though specific details about the transmission remain under wraps, you can count on Toyota's renowned reliability and quality. The Century SUV is expected to deliver a driving experience that matches its premium status. Initially set for release in Japan, the 2025 Toyota Century SUV has already captured global attention. This luxury SUV represents not just a new chapter for Toyota, but a bold reimagining of what luxury driving can be. With its unique blend of tradition and innovation, the Century SUV promises to set a new standard in the automotive world.